So I have my family here. A long time ago, my wife and I came up to a conclusion in that when we come home, when we first enter the home, if anything is bothering us from work or from wherever we came from outside, we're not allowed to speak about it for about 5 minutes when we first enter the home. And that way we give the people in the home a chance, to at least for you to come into the home and say hello to the people in the home and not put them in a bad mood. Because usually if you come home with a bad mood, you're going to make everybody at home in a bad mood. So there was a rule, and we still have it in place: 5 minutes, no bad mood. We could talk about it afterwards, but for 5 minutes, everybody has to be in the same mood. So with that being said, I saw something on the internet. I thought it was a really good idea. I heard it in one of my audiobooks, and I thought it was a great idea. And I think many people should do this. And that way, we could always realize a lot more of the good than the negative in the world. So that being said, I'm showing this thing. So mine didn't come yet. Mine hasn't come yet. But I'm still waiting for it. But I got these 3 things. So you know what these things are, guys?
I just saw the first cover, so yes.
Mine.
Oh.
These are gratitude books. So I bought 2 for my kids and 1 for my wife. Mine hasn't arrived yet. So our plan is going to be that we're going to spend about 15 minutes a day to come together and write in our gratitude book. It's not long. It's a short, brief thanking for whatever reason we have for the day.
Oh, good idea.
Okay? We're just going to come together. My book is coming in a day or 2. So I think this is more for my son's style, and this will be my wife. So what I'm doing in this video is actually telling you why I'm getting it and how they look, because you can't really tell in the website. So this is the gratitude book for women. I don't know why it's the gratitude book for women.
Maybe it's lighter weight.
I don't think so. And I'm showing you how it looks on the inside. So I guess it tells you.
Is this one mine? And then this one's Jake.
I'm going to show it to you one moment. I guess this explains how to use it. And this is basically how every page, I think it's a 365-day book. It's a 1-year book. And you just write, today I am grateful for, you put the date and what you're grateful for. It has 3 lines. And how can I pay it forward? That's interesting. Find the joy in the simple things. So we'll go to the next page. I can't go to every page. Focus on the good. So the next page, same setup. How can I pay it forward? Focus on the next good. And as you go on, it's just numerous pages. I think it's one year.
Same template?
Same template. And it's, I think, 360 is for 1 year, I believe. But get the details on the website. I'm almost sure it's 365 days. So this is the way this looks. So I guess every week, I should say, because this is 1 week's worth. So this will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then you end it, and then you read the gratitude changes everything. That's pretty cool.
It's cool. And then it also indicates on the back of a little flyer that you can get free printables via email.
Is that, does it say the amount? I think it's 365.
No, it doesn't say.
So my wife will be using this. It's pretty cool. So I just wanted to show the inside, give you the idea how it looks. And it's a great idea. I thought it was pretty cool. A real simple idea to get the family together for like 10 minutes a day. And you can just talk about something good that occurred that day. Whether it be wake up, same thing. You can write the same thing. It doesn't matter. So this is going to be my son's. It's made for a younger age, but it's set up better for him. I also bought it because it was used. So it was a lot cheaper, like half the price. I think it was a lot cheaper.
So should he erase somebody else's writings?
No, there's nobody's writing. So this will be my son's book. So in my son's book, you can see It has today I'm grateful for because the dates. Draw or write something else that made it grateful for today. So the layout's a little bit different than my wife's book. It's made more for kids, as you see. It's the same layout. It has an area to add or draw a picture and date it. That's pretty cool. What is that in there? Do you like to go outside? Check off what you're grateful for outdoors. That's pretty cool. But pretty much it's the same template, and the idea is sort of keeping your own journal, but a template of it, which is a grateful or gratitude book or gratitude journal. And then this will be for my daughter. Do you want to look at it, son? And my daughter's is a little bit more childish because it has, well, I shouldn't say childish, but for a younger age. And, you know, I feel, and you circle it. It's pretty cool. So this is, you know, this is a look at of the book, if you're interested in buying it and the idea behind it. I think it's a pretty cool idea. I like it. It's kind of a way for everybody to come together once a day at least. Or you can do it weekly, whenever you get a chance. It's pretty cool. So that's that one. So these are all three of the books. Let me just end the video here. I'm ending the video. I told you why I'm getting them and what we're going to do with them. My book's missing, sorry. But I'll have one too. And we're all going to sit down for 10, 15 minutes and just write into it. Probably less, as to just to come together and write in our book. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the look at. Let me show you the back. I hope it helps in your purchase. Thank you.